very cute, lovely students of Rainbow, honorable parents, Rainbow. Wow, what a day and what a beginning. We have started today's assembly under the blue sky, around the greenery, and with your lovely new uniforms. We have emerged with a power prayer, Prabhu Himmat Do, Prabhu Himmat Do. Bhrashtachaar mitana hai jag se, Prabhu Himmat Do. Oh God, empower us, give us courage in our hearts so that we can eradicate corruption. With this holy, beautiful power prayer, the awareness for the GK, how important general knowledge, general awareness is. Today's assembly is dedicated for that. The questionings from here and raising of the hands from there. This ball game, it's very interesting. And it keeps, this interaction keeps any institution live and green. The real meaning of education is proper communication. What you know, are you able to convey that or not? So this ball game is very interesting, highly appreciated. In this reference, dear students, GK, computers, these two subjects, they are considered as grading subjects. But remember, they are the real thrill, they are the real anchor sheet of your career. Without general awareness, GK, and knowledge of apt computers, you cannot dream of a good success. We are very happy and privileged to have a great, competent computer teachers in the name of Honorable Kuldeep sir. His maturity, his discipline, his wisdom, that's going to shape our students. In junior classes, develop the interest in computers and you will excel. Same is my message for the GK teachers, the teachers who are taking GK, general awareness, general knowledge. They need to inculcate the thirst, the curiosity among the students. And with this curiosity, general awareness, they will be the fit and smart students of Rainbow Public School. Heartiest congratulations to the great archers of our school who have not only represented Rainbow School on the state level, on the district level, but also they have made the parents, the 1200 plus students, the management and the teachers feel proud for acquiring 3 consecutive awards and the medals. It's a matter of really great pride and privilege. We applaud for the concentration, and the parents were also here. We thank them for giving us such disciplined students. May you succeed in the every walk of your life. This is what our humble wishes for you. And today, you have made us feel proud. Highly thankful to your efforts, to your endeavors. Thank you so much.
A great good morning to all dear students. Good morning respected principal sir, director sir, all the respected mentors and all my dear students. How are you all? A great assembly, good awareness of GK questions. Students, we have to be always updated with our GK questions and GK awareness. With this, I would like to invite the students, those who have participated in the district level tournament, in which our rainbow students have been selected at the state level. With this, I would like to invite Rainbow Samriddhi Vyas. She has been selected in the second round as the first
respected principals, sir, directors, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Nivita from class 7B. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic, general knowledge awareness. GK is the collection of information that helps us understand the world better. It is not only about learning facts from books but also about staying updated with what is happening around is in a society, in our country, across the world. In today's competitive world, GK is an important as our academic subject. It plays a major role in exams, quiz, interviews, even in our daily conversation. A person with good general knowledge can express ideas, learn, communicate confidently, and make better decisions. Life it develops our personality. Imagine meeting someone who knows about current events, science, sports, history, culture, such as a person. Always leaves a positive impression. It makes us confident, respected wherever we go. But the big question is how can we improve our GK? The answer is simple: by reading newspaper daily, watching news channels or education programs, listening to informative podcasts, using internet visibly, we can stay up our. So let us make a place to learn something new even every day, because the more we know, the more we grow. Thank you.
Principal sir, director sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Rainbow Nivedita Rahul, on the behalf of 7C. Today I am going to be presenting some interesting and useful GK facts. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The Amazon River is the largest river by volume of water. Russia is the largest country by land area. The Great Wall of China is built over countries to protect Chinese states. The French Revolution started in 1789 and changed the course of European history. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea water. Humans have 206 bones in their adult body. The Olympics are held every 4 years. The internet was developed in the year 1960. ARPANET. The fastest land animal is cheetah. His reaching speed up to 112 km per hour. Michael Phelps from USA won 23 gold medals in swimming. Jenny Corbett of France is the oldest person in the world. He lived to be 122 years and 164 days. The Challenger Deep is the deepest point on the earth. The Death Valley is the hottest place on earth. Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building on the earth. Blue whale is the biggest water animal on the earth. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, director sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Zia Khani. On the behalf of grade 7 today I am here to present some tips on GK awareness. General knowledge is super valuable for competitive exam, interviews, debates, and just being for informed today. I am sharing some effective tips to improve our GK awareness. To improve GK awareness, we should apply some habits in our day-to-day life, like read some news daily, use GK books, watch educational channels, play puzzles regular, stay update with monthly, weekly current affairs, focus on important GK categories like countries, capitals, important days, books and authors, science and technology, Indian politics and history, economic terms, sports and awards. Talk about current topics with friends and family. Join group discussion, etc. If we follow systematically these rules, then we surely ourselves improve in GK. Thank you.
After all, is not just power but like a vehicle that guides us through the valley. Good morning, respected principals, our lecturers, our teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, you from class 8B, welcome you in RPS Assembly. General knowledge encompasses a wide spectrum from the historical events that spared our world to the wonders of science, the marvel of the literature, and the achievements of the humanity. It is a celebration of our collective wisdom. With this, now I would like to invite Jia for some tips of GK awareness.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, directors, sir, teachers, and all presented over here. I am Dhumika from class 8A. Sir, today I am asking some GK questions in front of you. First question: in which city of Jammu and Kashmir did the terrorist attack occur in April 2025? Of operation launched by India in response to the Pahalgam terrorist attack.